Welcome back! Thank you for clicking in my video. Chinese New Year is around the corner. There must be a lot of canned abalone at home. Let's make simple and delicious stew noodles with canned abalone. Hope you will like this recipe. The sauce of braised abalone is rich and delicious. It is simple and delicious to use it to stew noodles instead of broth. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: noodle, onion, chopped garlic, canned braised abalone, luncheon meat. Add water in wok. Add a teaspoon of salt and cooking all and bring into boil. Remove noodle from packaging while waiting water to boil. Boil the water and cook the noodles. The noodles need to be cooked for 5 minutes, but I personally think 3 to 4 minutes is enough because the noodles will affect the taste if they are too soft. Remove noodle from wok. Rinse the noodle in cold water, drain and set aside. Cue, rinsed noodle will have better chewy texture. Place noodle into bigger bowl and seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Peel and chopped onion. Remove abalone from can. Pour abalone sauce into bowl and seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Cut luncheon meat into strips. Stir-fry onion until softened and fragrant. Add a teaspoon chopped garlic and stir-fry. Add luncheon meat and stir-fry to release fragrance. Add noodle and stir-fry. Pour in abalone sauce and stir-fry until noodles absorb the sauce. smells so good. Plate noodle. Place abalone on noodle. Delicious abalone noodle is ready to be eaten. I added luncheon meat to this recipe. The salty and fragrant taste of the luncheon meat makes it taste like bacon and it's delicious. Make this fried abalone noodles for your family as breakfast during the new year. It is simple, delicious, and very filling. Optional to use yimi for this recipe, it tastes so good too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Abalone is rich in minerals such as calcium and phosphorus and vitamins B1 and B12. It is good for dieting because it has low calories and low fat content, and is rich in various minerals, so it is effective in supplementing nutrition. Abalone, known as the king of seafood, is a top-grade dish for banquets, symbolizing noble status and an indispensable high-end dish for family reunion dinners. Abalone and full are homophones, so eating abalone during the Chinese New Year implies wealth and good fortune and the prosperous era of Emperor Qianlong. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.